I got a question emailed to me recently. The question said, I want to be an animator with my own business one day. Any tips or ways I can make my dreams come true, or any way I can apply to be an animator through a small business or another company? It's a good question. My best advice would be to create an animated short. Emphasis here on short. Here's a couple of rules I like to follow when making animated shorts. Keep it under 3 minutes, because more people will watch it. Make it funny if you can, because more people will share it. And make it as cheaply as you can, because you won't become a poor artist in the process. I made a lot of animated shorts before I attempted my bigger projects. Trep was 22 minutes long, and Traveling Gringos Season 1 ended up being 45 minutes total. Big projects take a lot of time. Trep took me 2 years, 9 months of which I spent working on it full time. So why am I recommending making an animated short? Because that's the best way to let people know that you're an animator. If someone watches your animation, they may think of hiring you to animate something for them, pass it along to a friend, giving you more exposure, or even want to become your business partner to help you start an animation studio. That last one probably won't happen, at least right away. But I did land the job of animating the opening titles to the film Her Minor Thing, because the writer saw my original 5-minute short of Traveling Gringos. So you never know where clients or jobs will come from. But in my experience, more people will watch your animated shorts than will watch your long animated masterpiece. When you finish your first animated short, remember to put your name and website in the end credits. I recommend working on it by yourself, so you can say you did all the work. Otherwise, you're saying, oh, I animated this scene and I colored this piece. Just give them something that you've done all the work on. Music here is the exception. I don't make music, so it's just easier for me to pay someone for their music so I can have the rights to use it wherever I want. Sound effects might fall on the side of this also. Just go find yourself a good sound effects package and pay for that. One side effect of working on your animated short is it will make you a better animator. I recommend taking a break from animation after you finish it. Trust me, you'll be tired and you'll need a break. Spend some time promoting it. Get it out in front of as many people as you can. Don't worry about making any money from it. At least not yet. Getting eyeballs on your short is the goal here. But what if nothing happens? Nobody watched it. Nobody gave you a freelance job. Nobody asked you to start an animation studio. Don't worry, because you're one step closer to achieving your goal of getting hired as a professional animator, or even owning your own studio. Then, when you're rested and ready, start working on your second animated short. Remember, you are already an animator, and that's what animators do. If you found this video helpful, you might like my Skillshare animation classes. I have 10 classes up right now, and I have more coming soon. Sign up and get 2 free months of Skillshare with this link. This has been Patrick Davidson, the Expat Animator. See you next time.